Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to do my nails. This was my old set right here and I am going to do gel nails today. So I'm just pulling out my e-file. This is from Susie and I do have a discount code. It is nails12. Very simple, but I will leave it in the description box for you. But this is my favorite e-file of all time. I absolutely love it. It's their 15th anniversary e-file from I think last year, but I love it so much. I will leave the link in the description box. But I'm going straight in and doing a removal. This set was the set I did using rubber-based gel, I think about 3 weeks ago, and I do have a tutorial on that if you want to check it out. But going straight in with this removal bit, this is also from Susie, and I have it at about 33,000 RPMs, and I'm just going to take the majority of the bulk from this nail set. So I want to kind of have a nice plain and even surface when I'm going to go in with my new gel application. So I am taking the bulk off. Obviously I'm not touching the natural nail with this bit. You don't want to touch the natural nail with any bit other than a sanding band or a cuticle bit that's just used at about 5,000 RPMs. You don't want to have any of these bits here touching the nail plate. So yeah, I'm going to just remove the bulk and I'll be back in a few. So I did decide to change the shape as well with this set. So I have been almond for a while, which I do love and I do prefer, but I just wanted to change it up to kind of a square shape. And so I clipped down some of my nail. This is all my natural nail, by the way. I have been growing it out with builder in a bottle overlays, and the one before was a rubber base overlay. So yeah, these are my natural nails. But now that I've clipped down some of the length, I'm just going in with my sanding band. This is a mini mandrel sanding band, and these are also Susie. I bought them on Amazon and I love them. They are 240 grit, so they're very gentle for the natural nail. So all I'm doing here is I am going over the bulk that I just removed. I'm kind of smoothing it out, but I'm also going over the new regrowth, and I am removing any dead skin, any cuticle that's left on the nail plate. So I'm doing both with this bit. I love this part of the removal process because you're smoothing down what you've removed and you're just making it nice and even for the new gel application. But yeah, I'm just going really gently. It's like 5,000 RPMs, and like I said, I'm just removing all the dead skin and anything like that left. And it also removes the oils, as we know, and kind of dehydrates the nail plate for the new gel application. So next I'm just grabbing my nail file and I'm just going to go in and kind of refine my shape and make it a little more crispy and nice and square looking. So once I have that done, then I'm going to go in with a little cuticle bit here, and I'm going from right to left at 5,000 RPM. Sorry, I skipped a good bit of that cuticle bit, but basically I just went from right to left and left to right at 5,000 RPMs. Now next I'm going to grab my primer. So this is the Claressa Ultra Tape Primer. I'm going to use the Claressa gel system today. This is a new gel that I've purchased, so I really wanted to try it out for myself and see what it was like. So once I have the primer on and it's dry, I'm going to go in with my base coat. For today's video, I'm just going to do 2 nails on camera with the whole process, but I'm going to do my whole hand off camera. So I'll show you my whole hand at the end, but I'm just going to do 2 nails on camera. So this is the Claressa Construction Gel. So it's their Easy and Go Construction Gel, and it is in the shade King Pink. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to go in with my gel brush. I'm painting on a slip layer, and I'm going to go in with my bigger bead and I'm going to just place it up near the cuticle area and then just pull it down the nail, as you have seen me done 1,000 times at this stage on this channel. But just to go over it again in case you haven't seen it before, I am just pulling it down the nail, and if you need to get more gel like I do right here, that's perfectly fine. You just go in there where you need it, join it up with the gel and just pull it down. The good thing about this gel right here is it doesn't run very easily. So if you're a beginner, I think this would be great for the fact that it doesn't run into the cuticles or sidewalls very easily. You have a lot of time to play around with it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm going in with my liner brush and I am playing with it. I'm making sure my shape is really on point, because I didn't have a lot of time when I was doing these nails. I was actually doing these two nails in between clients. So I didn't have a lot of time at all. So I really didn't want to finish file. So spending a little bit more time on your application, if it means you don't have to finish file and get dust everywhere and all the rest of it, it does save you time in the end. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of making sure that my application is good. And this little liner brush is a saving grace because, as you can see, I'm just looking at any little divots or any bumps that there might be. And I'm just picking up a little bit of gel and filling in. And just checking out my shape and my application here before I pop it in the lamp. And then once you're happy with it, you can pop it in the lamp and you're good to go. Okay, so same again then for nail number 2, and I'm doing the exact same steps as on nail number 1, but oh my god, I love this colour. Like, I'm just looking at it now here again in the screen as I'm just doing this voiceover, and it's so pretty. It's such a pretty pink. Like, this would be so ideal for French. Yeah, so today I just really wanted to do a quick and easy nail set, so I chose a nude glitter just to go over this. Very, very simple, one of the plainest nail sets you can do, but also if you're a beginner, very standard and probably a good place to start would be something like an overlay and then a little shimmer glitter over it, because it's just pretty. It's girly, it's simple, it's classy, and it's cute. So you can't go wrong with a set like this, whether you're advanced or beginner. But I think if you're just starting out, something like this, instead of trying to complicate it too much, you'll get great photos. Put it on your Instagram or wherever you want to put it. I just think it's such a good idea. But yeah, so next up we're going to go in with Madam Glam. Obviously we love Madam Glam around here, and I do have a discount code as well. It's Begorgeous35. I'll leave it in the description box, and it's for 35% off. But this colour is Casual Friday, and this is a colour that I bought a few months ago in the outlet. So I got it on a discounted price. They do have nice colours in the outlet from time to time, so I bought this, and I've only used it once so far. I used it once on a client, but I really loved it on her, and I was just saying, okay, one of the days I'm going to put it on myself and just leave it, just this only. So this is what this set is today. It's just Casual Friday over that King Pink. So I'm just kind of making sure that I am putting in a nice layer of it and it's covered everywhere, because I'm only doing one layer of Casual Friday because that's all it really needed, because the pink underneath was just enough pigment. And then once I've that done, I'm just top coating right now. So I'm going in with my top coat, doing a nice generous top coat over all the colour. And yeah, this is how they turned out, guys. This is them out in the natural light in the shade, and I think I have one in the sun coming up. This is them in the sun. So I'm so happy with these. Let me know what you think, and hit like if you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.